So this is a question from class 11. It's the principle of mathematical induction. You have to prove that this is a multiple of 3. Now let the given statement be Pn. पहले आप इस तरह से लिख लीजिए. तो step 1 for n equals to 1. अगर n equals to 1 पुट करोगे तो क्या बनता है यहाँ पर? That is 1 into 2 into 1 plus 5 6. That is equals to 12. Which is equals to 3 into 4. We can see that it is a multiple of 4. So for n equals to 1, the statement is true. Now let us say that let it be true for n equals to k. Let it be true. Then what we can get it here from here? We can get that is k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Since it is a multiple of 3, let us write down as 3 lambda. So from here we can get that 6, that is k cube plus 6k square plus 5k equals to 3 lambda. इस तरह से लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ पर हम k cube equals to 3 lambda minus 6k square minus 5k कुछ इस तरह से स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 पे लिखेंगे. So we have taken that granted and let it be true for n equals to k. Now step 3, we will prove for n equals to k plus 1. Putting the value k plus 1 here, we get k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6. So this can be written as, that is k square plus 3k plus 2 into 6 plus k plus 6, which implies that we get here k cube plus 9k square plus 20k plus 12. Now one thing we can do it here, instead of k cube we will write this. That means what we can get it here, that is 3 lambda minus 6k square minus 5k plus 9k square plus 20k plus 12. So from here the further simplification is done in this way, and finally taking the 3 common we are getting this. See here 3 is being multiplied, hence it is a multiple of 3. Therefore for n equals to k plus 1 is true if n equals to k is true.